Think all fish are equally healthy for managing diabetes? Think again. Some popular fish might not be doing your blood sugar any favors, while others are a game changer for boosting insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Rainbow trout stands out as a top choice for people managing diabetes thanks to its mild flavor and impressive nutritional profile. This fish is packed with high-quality protein and delivers roughly 1 gram of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, per 3-ounce serving, enough to help reduce inflammation without the heavy, oily taste found in some other fatty fish. That makes rainbow trout a practical option for those who want the benefits of omega-3s in a lighter, more approachable package. The protein content in rainbow trout is another key advantage. With about 17 grams of protein in each 3-ounce serving, it helps you feel satisfied and supports muscle and tissue repair. For people with diabetes, this protein helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can prevent blood sugar spikes after meals and contribute to more stable energy throughout the day. Omega-3 fatty acids in rainbow trout play a significant role in fighting inflammation and supporting insulin sensitivity. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in insulin resistance, and studies show that omega-3s from fish like trout can improve post-meal glucose and insulin response, which supports long-term blood sugar management. Including rainbow trout in your diet at least twice a week is a simple way to boost your intake of these beneficial fats while also supporting heart health, a vital consideration for anyone with diabetes. Rainbow trout is also easy to find and prepare. Both wild and farm-raised trout from reputable sources are widely available and are often sustainably farmed. When shopping, look for fillets with a vibrant pinkish color and a fresh, mild scent. Avoid any fish with a sour or ammonia-like odor, as that signals it is past its prime. Cooking rainbow trout doesn't require special skills or ingredients. It adapts well to grilling, baking, or pan-searing. For a quick meal, try grilling it with lemon and fresh herbs, or bake it with a light garlic butter glaze. It pairs well with vegetables like asparagus, roasted potatoes, or a simple salad, making it easy to build balanced, diabetes-friendly meals without extra effort. But if you want heart-protective fats on steroids, you'll want to see the next fish. Mackerel is a fish that stands out for its nutritional density and unique benefits for blood sugar management. Known for its rich flavor and higher fat content, mackerel is packed with health-supporting nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and B vitamins like B12 and niacin, which play important roles in metabolism. While its taste can be bold, the advantages it offers for people managing diabetes are clear. Omega-3 fatty acids are a central reason why mackerel is so valuable. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in insulin resistance. Chronic inflammation can make it harder for your body to use insulin effectively, leading to higher blood sugar levels over time. Including mackerel in your diet is a practical way to address this issue and support better insulin sensitivity. Clinical reviews show that eating fatty fish such as mackerel can lower fasting glucose and improve insulin sensitivity, both important for diabetes management. In addition, mackerel provides vitamin D, a nutrient linked to better glucose regulation and immune health, which is often lacking in many diets. When choosing mackerel, it's important to consider mercury content. Atlantic and Pacific mackerel are good options, averaging just 0.05 parts per million of mercury, one of the lowest levels among oily fish. This makes them a safer and more accessible choice for regular consumption. Both fresh and frozen fillets are widely available, and canned mackerel is a convenient, cost-effective alternative that still delivers the same nutritional benefits. Preparation is straightforward and doesn't require complicated techniques. Grill mackerel with a spice rub or use smoked mackerel in salads for a fast, nutrient-dense meal that fits easily into a diabetes-friendly eating plan. Its high-fat content also makes it suitable for dishes that require richer flavors, and it pairs well with a variety of vegetables and whole grains. But if you're looking for something with a milder flavor and an added sustainability bonus, there's another fish that deserves attention. Arctic char is often overlooked, but its nutritional profile makes it a strong choice for people managing diabetes. Comparable to salmon in omega-3 content, Arctic char offers a milder flavor and is well-suited for those who prefer less intense fish. It's also a responsible choice for the environment. Most of the Arctic char sold in the US is farmed in Iceland using land-based raceway tanks. These systems are designed to mimic river habitats with treated wastewater and negligible escapes, which helps minimize environmental impact. One of the key benefits of Arctic char is its omega-3 fatty acid content. Each 3.5-ounce serving provides a substantial amount of these healthy fats, which are known to improve insulin sensitivity by helping cells respond more effectively to insulin. This can allow glucose to move more efficiently into your cells, supporting steady blood sugar levels. Research suggests that omega-3s also help reduce inflammation, lowering the risk of long-term complications associated with diabetes such as cardiovascular disease. Arctic Char's protein content is also significant, about 18.6 grams per 100 grams, helping you feel full and reducing the likelihood of blood sugar spikes after meals. Arctic Char offers more than just omega-3s. It provides roughly 650 international units of vitamin D per serving, which is nearly 80% of your daily requirement. For people with diabetes, vitamin D is important for bone health and immune support, and higher blood levels have been linked to better glucose control. The fish is also a complete source of essential amino acids, supporting muscle health and overall well-being. Importantly, Arctic Char often tests below 0.05 parts per million for mercury, similar to trout and herring, making it a safe option to eat multiple times per week. Shopping for Arctic Char is straightforward. Look for fresh fillets with clear eyes, shiny skin, and a clean scent, or choose frozen fillets for convenience and longer storage. Smoked or cured, Arctic Char offers variety and can be paired with whole-grain crackers or vegetables for a satisfying snack. The mild flavor of Arctic Char works well with simple seasonings. Try roasting it with a miso glaze or pan-searing with olive oil, garlic, and lemon. Choosing the right fish is one of the smartest moves you can make, but here's the catch. If you really want to keep your blood sugar stable all day, fish alone isn't enough. The right nuts work with these fish to lower blood sugar even more and help you stay full longer. Click the video on screen now to discover the 4 nuts every diabetic should eat to boost these benefits.